Are you struggling to increase your bench press? In this video I will show you 5 simple ways to increase your bench press. By the end of this video you will apply these techniques and increase your bench press. Before we get into the video, a like would be great. 1. Improving technique and form is key to increasing your bench press. This means maintaining a stable base with your feet flat on the floor, keeping your back flat on the bench, and engaging your core muscles. Additionally, using a full range of motion, avoiding excessive arching, and keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle can also help improve your lift and reduce the risk of injury. It may also be helpful to work with a coach or trainer to ensure you are using proper form. 2. Gradually increasing the weight you lift is a crucial part of improving your bench press. This allows your muscles to adapt and grow stronger over time. It's important to only increase weight when you are able to complete all reps with proper form, and never compromise form for heavier weight. A general rule is to increase weight by 5 to 10 pounds per week, but this will vary depending on individual strength levels. It is also important to listen to your body and never push beyond your limits, as this can lead to injury. 3. Strengthening the supporting muscle groups such as the shoulders and triceps can greatly improve your bench press. These muscles work in conjunction with your chest muscles to provide the power and stability needed for a successful lift. Exercises such as overhead presses, lateral raises, tricep extensions, and dips can help target these areas and build overall upper body strength. Incorporating these exercises into your routine and focusing on proper form will help you see improvement in your bench press. 4. Incorporating variations of the bench press, such as close grip or dumbbell presses, can help target different muscle fibers and provide a new challenge to your routine. Close grip bench presses put more emphasis on the triceps, while dumbbell presses allow for a greater range of motion and activation of stabilizing muscles. These variations can help reduce boredom in your workout and also aid in overall upper body strength development. It is important to incorporate them in moderation, as part of a balanced routine, and never sacrifice form for heavier weight. 5. Accessory exercises, such as push-ups and dumbbell flies, can help build and strengthen the chest muscles and improve overall bench press performance. Push-ups work the chest, triceps, and core, while flies isolate the chest muscles. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help increase muscle activation and endurance, leading to improvements in your bench press. It is important to use proper form for these exercises, and to never compromise form for higher reps or heavier weight. So again, the first way is technique and form are very important. Increasing your weights recklessly will get you nowhere. With that being said, only increase your bench press if you complete the reps and sets with no struggle, by 5 to 10 pounds. And the third step is to strengthen your shoulders and triceps. Add some exercise like dips, lateral raises, tricep extension. And the fourth step is incorporating different variations like close grip or dumbbell presses, or even push-ups if you do not have those equipment. And last step is accessory exercises like push-ups and dumbbell flies. By adding those into your arsenal, you will see some serious results. Now go out there, impress your friends with your new PR record. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what topic you want me to discuss next, and subscribe for more informational videos.